Yeah, can you guys say happy Vlogtober? Can you say happy Vlogtober? The fun is never over. All right, let's pull our stuff here. Okay. Hey y'all, it's your girl StaceNthePlace, and we are back. We are here to show you all our John Derian little haul. So let's start off with this little willow tree plant thing. So Sterling's really been interested in this. So I'm curious to see if the other dogs will be. But I will say that I was super excited for this little collection. It actually is like a remake of items that came out in 2020. Hi. Oh, Winnie's checking it out. And oh no, I forgot my scissors. Let's see if we can undo this. So I picked up quite a bunch of items, but I will be honest that there's some items that I was a little disappointed in. I don't know. I thought they would give more life than they gave, but we'll see. We'll get there. I'm annoyed at myself that I did not bring the scissors over here for this candelabra, but it is made out of, I believe it said it's an aluminum cast or aluminium, if you're from over the pond. And let's see. Darn, I should have taken this out of the thing beforehand. But I'm so close. When you're like, oh, I should just give up and get the scissors. But then I'm like, no, I'm so close. I almost got it out. Almost got it out. Okay, here we go. Here we go now. Here we go now. Okay, so I actually ordered 3 of these. And I'm really glad that I did because they sold out. And unfortunately, one of them arrived broken in half. So that was kind of disappointing. But this is it, the little candelabra. And sorry, I would tell you the prices, but the prices aren't even written on this thing. What do you think? I don't know. It kind of gives like the Phantom of the Opera. It gives Phantom of the Opera vibes, right? Yeah. Sterling's just excited that she has found a triangle to sit in. But this is our cute little candelabra. I like how it has like the little drippings, and it's black, and so it's kind of like it gives a Halloween spooky vibe, but it's like not too much, not too much. The willow tree, I think it needs a little bit more glue to like stay in its spot. Maybe it had a rough time in transit. I don't know. I want to say this was like maybe 36 bucks or something. I mean, it's a vibe. Like I haven't seen another like tree similar to this, but I just expected for it to, be a little bit more put together, but it's okay. It's fine. It's okay. Let's move along. So this item here is one of the cute little pillows, and there's no price on this either. They were like, don't worry about the price, just know that you bought it. But yeah, I'm kind of shocked that they didn't write the price on here. Maybe it's because the whole collection was online only. But this is the little pillow. Now, I feel like this pillow is either 15 bucks or 20 bucks. And I should have checked the specifications. I just fell in love with it because it's gold and it's a little skeleton and it's beaded. So I mean, I get it, but at the same time, I'm like, this is such a tiny pillow. Like it's barely a sham for Sterling. Sterling, is this your size pillow? Yeah. And the only thing with these are like they're cute decorative pillows, but like where are you going to put these? Or you put it in a chair, but like it's not going to give you any lumbar support. Like it's just there to just look. So I think these are going to have to go back. I have at least 2. Fingers crossed I didn't order 4 because that would have been a mess. With this collection, so they didn't really do any promo for this until the night before. All of a sudden, like the guy, John John decided to post on his Instagram and stuff. And I only found out about it because one lady on TikTok, her name is Halloween. Oh, I forget her name, but like she's always on top of it of like different Halloween stuff and collections. And she saw that someone else said that there was supposed to be a collection dropping, and it was going to drop at 3 a.m. And I was like, what? No way. And so, of course, like a crazy person, I set my little alarm and woke up and yeah, bought a whole bunch of stuff from the collection. And it's so wild because I was telling my husband that morning, I was like, yeah, they got these pillows. And like the year it came out, the pillows sold out and it was crazy. And I bet you this year when people find out, it's going to sell out and blah, blah, blah. And like, I think it was maybe 11 o'clock was probably the last time that I looked online because I ordered some stuff. And then I was like, because you know, like you do your first once over, and then I order the stuff that like I really really want, no question, and then I give it like an hour or two, and I'm like, okay, like these were the things I was maybe about. Should I pull the trigger or just leave them be and stuff? And so like it was wild. So here's this pillow. It's a cute little skeleton in a graveyard. Okay, this one I feel like this is more substantial, right? Don't you think so? Yeah. I feel like this one's more substantial. I believe I ordered 2 of these. It's more substantial than the other one. But I don't know why, but like in my mind, I just thought that they were, I don't know, I thought they were going to be bigger. It's crazy. Here's our big box. Okay, let's look at something that I'm sure I'm gonna be happy and excited about, right, Shirley? Like let's change the tide because right now everything is seeming a little sad. So this guy is the infamous skeleton, and look at him with his little anatomy and his little bones. What do you think, Shirley? Do you like it? Yeah. Oh, she's such a good baby. She's been such a good dog. The skeletons love her. So this is him. Oops, sorry. I know the skeleton's getting rowdy. And he has like all these little numbers on him, I guess to signify like each bone and stuff. And I don't know, I think it's cute. It's nice and heavy. This is the pillow. So I believe they sold everything for the same prices as when they first came out. And so this was $60. Is it worth $60? I think so. I mean, they sold out by like midday. So I'm sure there's a bunch of like mean, evil resellers out there again because like when this first came out, it was $60. And like next thing you knew, people were reselling them for like $300-$500. And people were paying the prices. Like it was the craziest thing. It was the craziest thing, right? Right? Yeah, it was the craziest thing. And so I was like, they're not going to get me this year. Oh, no, no, no. I'm going to make sure I get this skeleton regardless. So we will sit him over here. Can you hold yourself up? No. You're tired. Here, we'll put you back here. There we go. Okay. So here's another one of the long lumbar pillows. And, oh no, I ordered 4 of them. Okay, and here's the 4th one. So this one, so I'm not really a cat lady. I was like, no, don't tell me something else is broken. But this little cat, I don't know, it was something about the cat that just looked like, it just looked so cute. And it has the little bell. I don't know, like he looks creepy cute. But I like how the body is made and how it like stands itself up. They also had 2 owls, but I don't have anything against owls, but like I don't know, the vibe on the owls, it wasn't vibing with me. So I was like, let me leave them there. Okay, I also picked up, oh, I guess I got 4 of these. I don't know, the pillows just was not, it was not a good idea. So put these here. And let's see, what else is in here? Okay. So we have our other candelabra, which is, okay, yeah, this one. Oh, yeah, this one's nice and intact, so that's great. Our broken one, it's so sad. Like, and it broke like clean in half. I'm like, dang, sadness, but it's okay. At least I have two that are put together. I also got this little tray here, so it's cute, and yes, it matches this pillow, even though I just talked mess about the pillow. What else do we have in here? Oh, this one is fun. Okay, I'll save that one for last. So here's another tray. I thought these trays were like super nice. They were like, some of them were $10, some were 15, some were 20. I really like the design, and it gives like a spooky vibe, but it's not like your classic spooky vibe that you would see in Home Goods and stuff like that. And here's the second one. I got two because I don't know, I love skeletons. And then this one, so I only picked up one of this one, I believe. I was kind of on the fence about it because it looks a little scary. Like, it almost reminds me of Snape from Harry Potter, you know? Like, it's something about his nostrils. They're just like massive. I don't know. But I picked up one because he's a skeleton. So, and then this tray, I'm very impressed with this tray. Like, this tray is massive, okay? Massive. And look at all the bones. I just love anatomy, so this is exciting. And I believe these are dishwasher safe. So, you know, let's see. Yep, dishwasher safe. They are not microwave safe, which is fine, but as long as they're dishwasher safe, we're good. Okay, so you may be wondering, our last item, which is in a box, what this is. I hope I don't need batteries, because I definitely did not bring batteries over here. Okay. Let's see. Oh, look at it. Okay, so this is like a little haunted house. It's a countdown. The final countdown. So you're supposed to press stuff, I thought, and it turns on or something, maybe? I don't know. Ooh. Oh, it needs 3 AAA batteries, but of course there's a screw that has it locked in. Okay, the spooky house will light your way through the week of Halloween. 1 week before the 31st, press the button on the chimney once to light up the first room. Press the button once a day until all the rooms are illuminated on the night of Halloween. When this house is fully glowing, the official festivities can begin. And it's cute. It has like a little hook up here so you can hang it if you want, but it's kind of sturdy. So it said press the button on the chimney. I guess it doesn't have any batteries inside of it. Ooh, that's not nice. Yeah, it doesn't say that the batteries are included. What is this? And it's 3 AA's. Like, it's always the AA's, I swear. But anyhow, so like this is supposed to light up, like all these little, like this and this, like the little things are supposed to light up and you hit it. But we shall wait until Halloween to get the party started. I believe maybe this was like 30, 35, or 40 or something like that. It's neat. I don't know. It gives the little Edgar Allan Poe vibes, you know, little Victorian vibes. There's a skeleton for the other reason why I picked this up. But I don't know. It's cute. You know, it's very spooky. We like spooky, but like not too scary spooky, but just spooky enough. But yeah, with that is all from the John Derian collection. The collection is pretty small. I believe it was 25 items that they brought back, and they were all items that were from the original one. Some people were lamenting that there was like this side table that was made with bones, and it was black, like not real bones, but like, you know. And what else? There was something else that looked cool, and I was like, man, that would have been cool if they brought it back. But you know, like, I'm just happy and excited that I got this guy, because he's cool. But anyhow, I hope that you all enjoyed our quick little John Derian haul. And I don't know. I'm gonna have to make up my mind about these pillows because they're cute. And I like that you can take the cover off too. So that's always nice. But like, these pillows are kind of small to be like $20. That's I don't know. We'll see. I'll let you know what happens with the pillows. But as for right now, the pillows are definitely on the chopping block. And yeah. Thanks for hanging out. And we will catch you in the next Vlogtober video.